My name is Farah Shaheen. I am your English teacher. Today I will teach you unit number 19, conjunction. Conjunctions mean to joining sentence. Conjunction is the word or set of words that connects two words, phrase or clauses in a sentence. You know very well what is a phrase and what is a clauses. Now we will discuss today types of conjunction. Conjunctions. Number 1, coordinating conjunction. Number 2, correlative conjunction. Number 3, subordinating conjunction. Let's start exercise A. Since you have learned about the conjunctions in earlier classes, in this exercise, pick out the conjunctions in the following sentences. Students, you underline only conjunctions that is given in the sentence. Now I read for you. Number 1. I may have while the sun shines. Here the while is conjunctions. Now underline the while. Number 2. I shall stay home since I am no longer needed there. Number 3. Don't make noise, else you will have to leave the class. In number 2, since, you underline since. In number 3, don't make the noise, else you will have to leave the class. Else here the conjunctions. Number 4. She did not come to school as she was sick. In number 4 sentence, as, underline as. Number 5. She looked around the room as if, underline as if, she was searching for someone. Number 6. The land is either pressed or floated. Here underline either and or. The land is either pressed or floated. Number 7. Underline either. You finish the work fast or stay late after school. In 7, either or. Underline the both word. Number 8. We reached the airport early so that, underline so that we could receive the guest for the conference. Number 9. Although I am hungry, I don't wish to eat pizza. Although, underline although. Number 10. Underline if I don't like something, I say so frankly but politely. Now student, you underline all the conjunctions in the exercise A. Number 1, while, underline. Number 2, since, underline. Number 3, else, underline. Number 4, as, underline. Number 5, as, underline. Number 6, either or, underline. Number 7, either or, underline. Number 8, so that, underline. Number 9, although, underline. Number 10, if, underline. Now you do it in your copy. Sentence number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay students, let's write the question. I read for you. Define the conjunction with example. Make a heading definition. Conjunction are the joining words. They join two or more words, group of words or sentence. For example, she is pretty, but she is proud. Number 2, she cannot come back because she is ill. Question number 2, how many kinds of conjunctions are there? Define with example. Make a heading kinds of conjunction. There are 3 types of conjunctions. They join sentences. Number 1, coordinating conjunction. Number 2, correlative conjunction. Number 3, subordinating conjunction. Number 1, make a heading coordinating conjunctions. The most commonly used single word conjunctions to join independent clauses are and, but, or, yet, so, and, for. Conjunctions not only serve to join clauses but also added meaning to whole sentence. For example, the meaning of the 2 sentences given below is different, and this difference is expressed through the use of the correct conjunction. Number A, she tried hard to explain, but she simply refused to listen. Number B, she gave him her reasons and he was very understanding. Now, student, you make a heading, and then after I will explain you on WhatsApp. Number 1, coordinating conjunction. Okay. Now, second, correlative conjunctions. These are multi-word conjunctions that work the same as coordinating conjunction, joining independent clauses of equal importance. The most commonly used correlative conjunctions are word pairs that include not only but also both and, either or, neither nor. Also, like the coordinated conjunctions, that correlative conjunction added to meaning of the sentence of which they are a part. The meanings expressed by them are given below. Conjunction meaning: either or means alternative warning, neither nor negative addition, not only but also addition, both and addition. We could either take a bus or share the taxi. Alternative: either apologize to him or face the consequence. Warning: she told neither her friend nor her partner about the accident. Negative addition: he lied not only to meet but also to headmaster. Addition: I have both done my work. I have both done my work and tidy my room. Addition: tidy my room. Addition. Subject verb agreement with correlative conjunction. Correlative conjunction joined independent clauses. Often the verb in the 2 clauses might be different in number. Look at the following sentences. The author of this book is wrong. My friends are wrong. The first sentence has a singular verb because the subject is singular, while the second has the plural verb because the subject is plural. If we want to combine these 2 independent clauses by using conjunction either or, to make the compound sentence, we will have to use only one main verb. Either the author of this book or my teachers are wrong. Here the either or we use in this sentence. Either the author or this book or my teachers are wrong. We have dropped the verb is and have used only the plural verb are. The rule of the observe with the correlative conjunction is that the verb in the sentence should agree with the subject to which is closest. In the above sentence, the verb are agree with the subject my teachers to which is closed. We could rewrite the sentence switching position or to subject. The verb would have to change accordingly. Either my teachers or the author of this book is wrong. The verb is agree with the subject author of this book to which is closest now. Students, start exercise B. The following sentences may or may not have errors or subject-verb agreement. Read each one carefully, and if it has an error, rewrite it correctly. Either you or she are lying to me. Now, either you or she is lying to me. Number 2. Neither Anam nor her brothers likes going to movies. Neither Anam nor her brothers like going to movies. Number 3. Not only my neighbor but also my sister are helping to plant plants in the park opposite our house. Number 3. In this sentence there is no error. So you should write exact. The sentence is written as it is. Not only my neighbors but also my sister are helping to plant spinning in the park opposite our house. Number 4. Either the singer or song he is singing is bad. Number 4. Either the singer or the songs he is singing are bad. Number 5. Either the performers nor the manager were interested in the show. Neither the performers nor the manager was interested in the show. Number 6. Not only residents or the area but also people from other parts of the city are protesting the mayor's decision to close the road. In number 6, there is no error. No error. Number 7. A pair of shoes are very costly these days. A pair of shoes. A pair of shoes is very costly these days. Number 8. My shoes are totally worn out. In number 8, there is no error. Number 9. Physics are his favorite subject. Physics is his favorite subject. Number 10. One of the boys are coming now. One of the boys is coming now. Now here the exercise B finish. You should write only 5 sentences from exercise B in your copy. You should do exercise A and B 5 sentence from exercise A, 5 sentences from exercise B. Okay, student? Now, student, exercise C. Join the two independent clauses in each case using the correlative conjunction mentioned in the brackets. Two from a single sentence. One has been done as an example. Wear your sweater, take a jacket, either or. You use either or. Either wear your sweater or take a jacket. Number 2. She finished all the chocolates. She ate all the biscuits. Not only did she finish all the chocolates, but also she ate all the biscuits. Number 3. Come right away. Come after 5 in the evening. You use either or. Either come right away or come after 5 in the evening. Number 4. My uncle is coming. My cousin is coming. Both my uncle and my cousin are coming. Number 5. We did not go to the concert. We didn't go to the movies. Neither nor. Neither did we go to the concert nor did we go to the movies. Number 6. He claims are false. His facts are all the wrong. Not only but also. Not only are his claims false but also his facts are all wrong. Number 7. He is intelligent. He is hardworking. Both and. Number 7. He is both intelligent and hardworking. Number 8. I have not seen her. I have not spoken to her. Neither nor. Neither have I seen her nor spoken to her. Number 9. Give me back my book. I am going to principal. Either or. Either give me back my book or I am going to the principal. Number 10. There will be mild rain in some areas. There will be thunder showers. Either or. Either there will be mild rain in some areas or there will be thunder showers. Okay, student, we will finish number 10. 10 sentences. You should do it in your book. Okay? Okay, student, after that subordinating conjunction. We use these conjunctions before the independent clause in the complex sentences. These conjunctions also show how to depend clause in connected with the independent clause. Okay, students, now here we finish subordinating conjunctions. I will give you all the instructions on your WhatsApp number. Okay, till then, Allah Hafiz. Allah Hafiz, student. Allah Hafiz. I finish unit number 19. Okay, students.